Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 1 8.1 question number 1. Here you see question number 1 is find the ratio of the following. Number A. 1A is given as a speed of a cycle 15 km per hour to the speed of a scooter 30 km per hour. Ratio of ratio of ratio of ratio of the speed ratio of the speed of cycle speed of cycle to the speed of a scooter 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 is equal to 15 by 30 divided by 5. 5 3 is 15, 5 6 is 30, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. It can be written as 1 is to 2. Written as 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2. Right? Now question number B. 5 meter to 10 kilometer. 5 meter to 10 kilometer. We know that 1 kilometer since 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1000 meter. Therefore, we can find the ratio. Required ratio is equal to required ratio is equal to 5 meter by 10 kilometer. Then you change kilometer into meter, that is equal to 5 meter by meter, and 10 kilometer is equal to 10 into 1000. 10 into 1000 meter. Right? You'll find that the number is 5, and here 1 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 3 4. If we cut it by 5, 5 1 is 5, and 5 2 is 10, 0 0 0, that is equal to 1 by 2000. 1 by 2000, and the ratio can be written as 1 is to 2000, and that is the answer. Right? Now question number C. Question number C is 50 paise. 50 paise to rupees 5. 50 paise. 50 paise. 50 paise. Paise to rupees 5. To rupees 5. We know that since rupee 1, since rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise, 100 paise. Therefore, required ratio is equal to 50 paise 50 paise by rupees 5, that is equal to 50 paise and rupees 5. Rupees 5 is 5 into 100 into 100 paise, that created as 50 divided by 5 0 0, 50 by 500. This 0 and this 0 will cut, and 5 is 5 and 5 10 is 50, that is equal to 1 by 10. 1 by 10, therefore the ratio will be equal to 1 is to 10. 1 is to 10. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, and also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.